Hey guys out there, this is George coming to you from georgepauly.com, and we are going to look at and review Bonus Dynamo, and we're going to go over what is Bonus Dynamo, what do you have to do in order to use it, and if you use it, will it help you make any money? So the good news is I'm using something very similar to Bonus Dynamo, and you're looking at it right now, or at least you're going through it. So pay attention here, guys. Pay attention here. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, in the description there's a link that says Get Bonus Dynamo plus the bonuses, and then there's a Bonuscrate, which is right here. You can see this URL right there. So if you click on that, you're going to go to this bonus page. Now, this is not made with Bonus Dynamo, but Bonus Dynamo is just like this. And there are some upsides to Bonus Dynamo that I've been seeing, and I'd like to share those with you and kind of go through this. So, what is a bonus page? Well, this is a bonus page, all right? And basically, if you decide to pick up Bonus Dynamo, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of free stuff. It's kind of like if you ever do any shopping online, and then they tip the scales to get you to buy by saying, hey, we'll give you free shipping, or if you buy this, we'll give you some other stuff for free. You know, those kind of things. And so those are all bonuses to get somebody who is, on the fence or not really sure if they want to buy it or not. And sometimes the bonuses, actually a lot of times the bonuses are a whole lot better than the products themselves. So this Bonus Dynamo is something that is really kind of, I think it's a necessity. If you're selling anything online, you need some kind of bonus delivery page. So this is the Bonus Dynamo landing page. Okay, this is the sales page that you're going to see. And I guess if you go back to my bonus page, you click on one of these purple boxes here, and it says click here to secure your copy and bonuses. That will take you over to the sales page, which is this. And it's real short. You can go through this. There's a nice video on here, I think. Yes, right here. And I also have this video on my bonus page. So if you click on the link in YouTube, then you'll end up getting this. So you can look through this bonus page here whenever you want. But I put this bonus page specifically together for you, so it puts everything in a small little place and you get all the answers right away. So what is Bonus Dynamo all about? It's a bonus page generator that enables users to create tested and optimized bonus pages in order to help them stay ahead of the competition. So what does that mean? There's people who are launching products, and some people give bonuses and some people don't. And if you had a choice, pay $100 for a product, and you get the product, you pay $100 for a product, and you get all this free stuff, where would you shop? Exactly, you get the free stuff. So Bonus Dynamo was created by affiliate marketers for affiliate marketers. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you're watching this, this is just for you. And whether you're promoting, launch jacking, reverse launch jacking, Bonus Dynamo is going to help you boost sales fast. So what does this cost? Front end bonus, $27, okay? And you're going to get everything, okay? The upsell here, the Pro Bundle for $37, and what you're going to get is access to high quality bonuses. So that's one of the tough things is you start making bonus pages, but what are you going to give? You need to give something. You need to have bonuses ready, and you'll see I have bonuses ready for you, so we'll go over that, okay? Number two, for $17 here is a 30-minute purpose business, and it's a guide which you're going to get online about the areas of affiliate marketing and how to create a product and high ticket coaching. All right. So anyways, number three over here is the developer license for $300. You'll get the source code. You can sell, rebrand, make this for your own, I guess. Benefits here is full functional access in the front end, fast servers. That's important. And I tested this. So it's not the fastest server, but it's pretty good. No monthly fees and full support. It should be up there. I'll fix that in the real page. So, anyways, you can watch this demo here, and it will go over on how all this works. It's about 9 minutes. You can watch that. If you want this, click on one of these bonuses on one of these boxes here. Now, these are my bonuses. These are something that I prepared. Other people have shared these with me, and I'm going to share with you what these are. Now, this button. Now remember, this thing is what, $37 for Bonus Dynamo. Now, this here, valued at $427, is Atomic Done For You, and it gives you access to 50 done for you products that you can promote as add-ons. So this right here is a bonus of a whole bunch of different bonuses. See what I'm getting at here? So if you buy this, you'll get the bonus. If you buy the bonus things and you get my bonus, if you buy Bonus Dynamo, you buy the software, you get my bonuses for free. And this particular bonus right here, actually I'll go like this, up here in the corner is going to give you 50 done for you products that you can promote. Bam! Okay? If you want it, go ahead and click one of these these blue buttons here. Now the next one here is an introduction to affiliate marketing. If you're new at affiliate marketing, if you don't already like building your own squeeze pages, if you're not giving bonuses already, you're going to have this too, and you can go through that. Now, this other bonus here, valued at $344.95, is a hack to 40 unique lead magnets, which will get more traffic to your offers. Again, a lead magnet is, hey, you give me your email and I'll give you a free report, kind of that thing. So as you're going through your journey here as an affiliate marketer, you will have your products and, you want to collect their emails. And so this is part of the steps is, hey, give me your email and I'll give you one of these. Boom. And I got 40 of those for you. 40, okay? So you can have that. And then once they go that, then they see your offer and it says, hey, you know what? Hey, if you buy my offer, I'll give you this worth 300. I'll give you that worth 700. I'll give you this worth all that. Now, the next one here, valued at $267, is called Insurgency. This is like a program all in its own, and it will help you earn more sales because it's a breakthrough system that helps you get the word out with your affiliate offers. So again, you've made your program, or you've got your whatever you're doing, even if you're on ClickBank or Warrior Plus, JVZoo, whatever it might be, you've got an offer. You build a page, all right, land page. You've got to send people, you've got to send traffic. Insurgency will send you the traffic. After the traffic, okay, they're going to click, and now they're going to be on a thing, and they're going to have a lead capture, a magnet, where they're going to put in their email, and you're going to give them something for free. And that's what these lead magnets are, okay? After they get that for free, then they're going to go and they're actually see your product like, I really don't know. And I'll tell you what, if you buy this, I will give you something from here. Bam! See, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Now, I decided to give you this here for $2,000. Now, what is the Online Business Addicts? They are a group of people, hands-on, so you actually will be able to work with them, talk with them either via Skype or Zoom or instant messaging or on the phone, whatever, depending on what's best for you. But they will take you from the 95% that don't make any money, that have no experience, because making money, you gain experience of all the things that you didn't do well, and you gain that experience at learning, and now when you're doing well, you're actually making money. And that's reserved for the 3 to 5% of the people. These Online Business Addicts will take you there. They'll give you the experience you need to succeed. These bonuses run out on Friday the 20th, I believe. All right, so when this is being made, 8 days, okay? This is being delivered here on Warrior Plus. If you're new to Warrior Plus, what you will do is you will go, when you click on one of these things here, you will go to, this will change, and it will be a buy button. So after you buy it, you're going to go to Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus will then look like this. You access your purchase, and then you access your bonuses, and bam, or you leave me a message down the YouTube below there, and they'll get you from there. So let's go take a look at the inside. If I'm moving too fast for you guys, you let me know, all right? Now, these are 2 bonuses that are already made in here, and I'm going to make one for you right now. Right here, add, okay? So over here, this is going to be Bonus Dynamo by George, okay? Now the product URL. Okay, so what this is here, this is the logo. And what I've done on this page here is I have put these things together. So I'm ready. Okay, so I have these on a server someplace and put this in there like that. Okay, and now the desired background color. I'm going to do this 000, 4 zeros and then 2 F's. 1, 2, 3, 4 FF. Okay. So then over here the product affiliate link. Okay, I will go and get my product affiliate link right here. Okay. I have a link on how to do these calendar things like that. If you guys want that, that will be just go visit my page, my YouTube page, and you'll be able to get that. Okay, so that's my link. The desired countdown date, which is I'm just going to copy this. Maybe put a date. So 2020 month 11 and the 20th. Okay, so this is sorry. Image URL for the product. I don't really have a good image for the product, but I've got something here. All right, so this is going to be my image. Go back over here, the image, and then video link. All right, where is the video link? Let me see here. All right, we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna grab a video, share, I'm gonna copy, and then come back over here, and I'm gonna put this in. Boom. All right, and product slogan. I'm not gonna put anything in there. Hope I don't have to. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's product slogan. HTML is allowed. All right, so I am not good at this product HTML, but again, I did make a did make something here. I thought. Yeah, just put this in. See what happens there. Right, that's what we're doing. Oh, all right. Enter the long description of the pricing product HTML is allowed. So the pricing, we're gonna go over here. And let's see if this is a copy and paste. We'll do this like this. All right. Oops. Nope. Let me get back to where you guys are at. Okay. Copy this. Sorry about that, guys. Over here. Nope. Okay, let's go back to my bonus offer. Copy. Over here. Paste. All right. Paste this out. Yes, accepted that. Product. So let me do this. This is actually let me do this. I have something ready. This is in the description of my YouTube video. So copy this in right here. Copy. And we will put this in there like that. We will X this out. That is not here. So then over here, bonus. Okay, URL of the bonus. All right, click here to get the base bonus. Now that's what one of the upsells was, get the bonuses. So the URL of your bonus image. Okay, so that's your bonus image. Now I'm going to go here and go down because I have a bonus image, which is right here like this. Copy, bring it over here. Boom. Okay. Okay, bonus one image. All right, so generate my bonus page. Let's see what happens. All right, I don't want other bonuses. Well, let's see what happens. Let me just keep filling these things in. So maybe that was what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 bonuses. Okay. Bonus Dynamo by George. Let's just see what happens. VIP bonus bundle. Bonus Dynamo. All right. Ah, here it is. Edit. Okay, it's on the bottom. All right, let's edit this. So we are going to edit the YouTube. Anyways, I'm not going to go through all this here, but you kind of get the idea of how this works, what this is all about, and so forth. So again, if you should have a bonus, deal. All right. If you've got it, great. If you don't, get one. All right. And if it's not this one, find another one. So that's the end of my my bonus or my review of Bonus Dynamo. So if you guys decide to pick it up, click the link below. It will take you to this page here. Click right over here. That'll take you over to the sales page and just find one of the links that says get your copy now or buy now. And then bam. All right, you'll get it. So you guys have a fantastic day. Go make some money. Bam.